What's the difference between there has and there have? Okay, back to the question. So what is the difference? Well, the difference is the S and the VE. Guys, it's incorrect. Forget about there has and there have. They are incorrect. Tear it out of your brain. Unlearn this. Really, I'm telling you, it's one of the most commonly made mistakes in Hong Kong. And there is a really good reason for it. It's a literal translation. They have a car. Siu Sum, Yau Tseh. They have no car. Mo Tseh. You see, Yao is Chinese for saying that something exists. Yao literally means have in Chinese. But in English, we don't usually use have for showing existence. Instead, we use is or are. So change that to there is a car. There are no cars. Go ahead and cross the road. What the heck? They have a pen in my tumbler. Now you do it. Change it to that's right. There is a pen in my tumbler. They have many birds. Now you do it. Change it to that's right. There are many birds. Did you learn something? Did you? Good. Be generous and share. See you when I see you.